Alright, Red Magic 6S Pro, the new one just came out October 2021, I believe. This phone is a beast, and just like any phone, it has hidden settings. They hide stuff in there, or they have settings that they didn't bring out yet, or that they discontinued, or they didn't want to bring out. And with an app like Activity Launcher, it doesn't have to be this one, but an app like it, you can bring those out sometimes. So, like I said, I use Activity Launcher, but you don't have to. When you go into it, typing for this game, okay, it'll bring up anything, any setting with the word game in it. Okay, so here's all your apps that have a setting with the word game in it. So, or an activity with the word game in, I should say. We want game space though, so go into game space, and it's gonna be a second one down. That game chicken mode activity. Click on it. Voila, Diablo mode. I guess you guys. There you go. Click on Diablo mode. When I clicked on it and I went back into the game thing, it said 315 megahertz. I think was the max for processor speed. I don't know what it was before that. I'm thinking it was like 300. So it gives you a little bit of a boost. Um, but it will eat your battery. Just to let you know, and it'll run it a little bit hotter. So watch yourself.